Hello guys, today let's check out a beautiful book. This is Paramveer Chakra, The Ultimate Honor. This is a beautiful book introducing the most important military award of India, that is Paramveer Chakra. This is a special issue released by Amachitra Katha. This is a paperback book. The paperback is quite thick, beautifully designed. This is and this book is of considerable good size. On the back they have given small introduction about the book here. This book costs around 399 rupees. You can get this book a lot cheaper on online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Bookswagon and so. Let's check inside. This book comes under the heading Brave Hearts. Like these are the main categories of Amachitra Katha, and this book is of Brave Hearts because this is about soldiers. The front page they have given a very good introduction about Paramveer Chakra, saying that this was introduced since 26 January 1950. Until now it has awarded to 21 brave hearts of the Indian Armed Forces, and this is given to those who display utmost courage in the field of battle and all. Beautiful introduction about the book here. So since this award has been given to 21 brave hearts, this book contains those 21 people here. So it ultimately contains 21 inspiring stories of their honor and courage here. So here are the contents or people which comes in this book. Major Somnath Sharma, Lance Nayak Karam Singh, Second Lieutenant Rama Raghoba Rane, Nayak Jadunath Singh, Company Havildar Major Piru Singh Shekhawat, Captain Gurbachan Singh Salaria, Major Dan Singh Thapa, Subedar Joginder Singh, Major Shaitan Singh, Company Quartermaster Havildar Abdul Hamid, Lieutenant Colonel Ardeshir Barzoji Tarapore, Lance Naik Albert Ekka, Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Shikon, Second Lieutenant Arun Ketarpal, Major Hashiar Singh, Naib Subedar Bana Singh, Major Ramaswamy Parameswaran, Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, and lastly Captain Vikram Bhatra. So these are the people who have been introduced in this book here. Here are the stories and all. A very good pictures, just like the Amachitra Katha, with new style of designs or arts, you can say. This is a wonderful book to introduce patriotism in young children, perfect for growing minds. This is a beautiful book to know about the Indian Army and soldiers and various brave hearts who have honored their country. Beautiful book, a special issue book. wonderful book introduced by Amma Chitrakatha. This book is around 300 pages. A very good sized book, giving quite brief introduction about all these people. And lastly, they have even given introduction about something called weapons and vehicles used in wars and all. And here even real picture of a tank. And lastly, they have given some notes about soldiers, what they do in times of peace and all. Beautiful page. And here the Paramveer Chakra awardees, their real pictures are given in this last page. A beautiful page to know about them. A beautiful book to introduce to children regarding patriotism and also to know about Paramveer Chakra. So this is the Paramveer Chakra, the ultimate honor by Amma Chitrakatha. Please subscribe to my channel for more such amazing books. See you next time.